Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the iPad Pro. This is the 128 gigabyte model. This comes in at $949. They also have a 32 gigabyte model, which really makes no sense. It has 32 gigabytes of storage, that's it, with Wi-Fi for $799. So for $949 you get 128 gigabytes of storage, and then the top one is with cellular at $1,079. So pretty expensive device. This is the space gray one. It also comes in gold or silver. And I also got the smart cover with it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now the pencil was not available. I couldn't find it anywhere. In fact, I don't know of anybody online that even got one other than that they were sent one from Apple to review itself. This is the smart cover. It's humongous, and I'll show you compared to the other iPads, but this comes in, it's about $60, $59. They also have a silicone cover that goes with it too. So let's open this up. There we go. Nothing inside. And here's the enormous iPad. Pretty heavy. You'll set that aside for just a second here. Here we have the wall adapter. Looks pretty similar to the others. In fact, I thought it'd be a little bit bigger, but this is smaller than I thought. In fact, it seems even smaller than the typical one. But this one is a 12-watt USB power adapter. And then we have a lightning cable. And we also have a little bit of literature here. It says iPad Pro, iPad info, and even gives you 2 Mac stickers, or Apple stickers rather. So we'll set this aside, put this away, and let's get to the iPad itself. So like I said, this is the space gray model. It's pretty large. In fact, in my hands, it may not look that big, but it's much bigger than you probably think, and I'll show you in just a second compared with others. So around the front, this is a 12.9-inch display, and you've got Touch ID on the front and a front-facing camera. On the side, we've got these 3 little pins, and these are for ground and data transfer, so if you have the keyboard, you can transfer through it. Hopefully we'll see some other accessories. We also have an EyeSight camera on the back, and a little microphone. And then basically like an iPad Air 2, volume buttons, button on top, lightning connector on the bottom. Now this one has 4 speakers, so 1 in each corner. And they actually are supposed to change based on how you hold it. Now let me show you, before we open the smart cover, let me show you exactly how big this is. So we'll set these things aside. Here is an iPad Air 1 and an iPad Air 2. So to give you an idea, it's basically the same screen size as both of these. So if I take this and set this here, vertically, the screens are about the same as 2 of these. And here's the iPad Air 2. And there you go. So you can cover it a little bit. It's probably hangs over very little, but you get the idea. This is kind of like an iPad mini right here and an iPad Air and Air 2. So huge device. This is the smart cover. Now like I said, I wanted to get the pencil to try that out with this, but I just couldn't. They didn't have it in stock. So let's open this up. Now on my iPad Air 2, I really only use the smart cover, so I'm not sure I can get away with that with this. And using it as an actual productivity device, that'll be interesting to check out. But we've just got the smart cover, and it's going to take a big area to store all this. Just microfiber on the inside, magnet on the outside here. And in fact, here's the old smart cover for the iPad Air 2 to give you an idea of size again. So quite large. Let's go ahead and click it into place. And that's pretty much it. So that's all that comes with it for about $1,000. It's pretty heavy. It's about 1.5 pounds. Basically the same weight as the original iPad. So somewhere in that range. The screen's bigger than the new MacBook, the 12-inch MacBook. It's 12.9-inch, so pretty large device, but it'll be neat, and I'll be using it for a week before I do a full review. But let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I'll do a separate setup video for you to see also, a restore from my iPad Air 2. But let me know what you think in the comments below. If you plan to get one, if you've picked one up, let me know what you think if you've used it for a little while now. If you have any other questions, let me know there as well. Please subscribe and comment. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.